Question. How's your Kegel?
Shush.
I said, how's that Kegel going?
I hate my Kegel.
Now I'm gonna have to pee.
Wait, you guys, for real, I'm really worried and I'm not doing enough Kegels. Do you really do them?
Well, I practice every night with Kessel.
You do?
Yeah, I do, Jean. Kessel loves my Kegel. Thinks it's really sexy.
Cake? Any takers? All right. You guys, Jean and Lisa, yeah, you're gonna get, you know what? All right, we're gonna have some cake, and then we're gonna do the piñata, and then we're gonna open presents, and then you're all gonna go home. And I'm gonna relax, okay? That's how it's gonna be. Michael, you wanna watch? Cake, okay? All right.
I ever saw.
Yeah, that's really, it's adorable, Judith.
Hey, it's cute.
It's totally cute. Barbie, do yourself a favor for once and just like look at the cute thing, please.
I'm pretty sure that I may actually be in love with that giraffe.
Look at it.
Yes, it's adorable.
It is very adorable.
Amazing.
I know. When we finish this room, I'm planning to move in.
All right, I just had another fantasy.
Do share.
What about when they have sleepovers?
All right, ladies, don't get too excited, okay? Because they're a pain in the ass.
My child is not going to be a pain in the ass, Barbie.
No, I'm gonna tell you something, Angela. All children are a pain in the ass, particularly when they're not yours. So, you know, the best thing about a sleepover is when it's at somebody else's house.
Well, excuse me, ladies.
You're all talk as usual. You can't even handle it when Michael's at school.
Yes, I can. 'Cause I still have the twins at home. And then when they're gone, I'm gonna have another one.
Has anyone talked to Angie yet?
I haven't. You haven't? God. Well, you know, I mean, that's one way of dealing with it, I guess.
What can I possibly say?
I know. Maybe the best thing for her is to have some time. Do you know what I mean?
The baptism's gonna be really hard for her.
Oh, God, I couldn't deal with it. I don't even know how she gets up in the morning, much less. Jesus.
Maybe it'd be a good idea if she didn't go.
Well,
She's the godmother.
Yeah.
Judith, maybe she shouldn't be there. Do you know what I'm saying? Maybe it's too much.
I know sometimes it's better when things are out of sight, out of mind. You know?
I'm sure that the last thing on Angie's mind, I mean, the last fucking thing that she wants to do is go to a christening. Oh, God. All I'm saying, Judith, all I'm saying is maybe April's right. Maybe she shouldn't be there.
Did you pick a caterer yet?
Mr. Babington.
Oh, my. Snooty.
I know. I love his crepes.
Oh, my God. Angie, hey.
Hey,
What are you doing?
I'm just getting some things. Oh, look at you. You look like you're almost ready. Should I be getting you something? I forgot. What was it, a boy or a girl?
Angie, thank you. It's really not necessary, but thank you, though.
Hey, Barbie. We couldn't find anything. Who's this? I'm sorry. I didn't recognize you. Hi.
Hey.
What you doing?
She's getting some things.
Oh. How's Russ?
He's at work. So when are you due?
Oh, Yeah, any day.
Mommy said your baby died.
Well, he did. Do you want me to show you a picture? You see this? This is Gabriel.
Kessel, I think that Michael's getting kind of tired. Maybe it's about time to get the boys to the car and kind of start that up. Okay? Sweetie, why don't we go on out to the car with Daddy, okay?
Yeah.
Go on. I'll see you in a minute.
You were just like him one day.
You getting
You
tired?
were small.
Okay. Come on.
I'm not tired.
That's
I'll see you guys in a minute. I'll see you. Be good.
okay.
He's beautiful, Angie. I'm sorry about Michael.
Why?
Well, he's tired and okay. I'll call you, okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right. Yeah, bye. How about a vacation? Oh no. Well, this is a scandal. A little something to break up the monotony. Uh-oh. Oh, well. How about that?
Put it on now.
I don't know what to think. I don't know if that would be the best idea under the circumstances. Thank you.
Come on, look sexy, Barbie.
Okay. That's all. It's gonna blow a gasket. Oh, Lord. This hopefully isn't as scandalous as the last. Oh, that's beautiful. Who's it from?